How to connect and withdraw dogs to Binance Exchange. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're going to show you how to withdraw dogs tokens to Binance Exchange. Recently, the dogs Airdrop team introduced Binance into the mix, and if you want to connect or change your connected wallet to Binance, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. This is a crucial step if you want to have full control over your crypto assets. Let's dive right in. So, the first thing you need to do is start by clicking on Deposit to Exchanges. From here, if you have already connected your wallet, simply click on the wallet you have already connected. Now make sure it's set to Exchanges, then click on Continue at the bottom of the screen. Next, you'll see a list of exchanges. Binance will be listed at the top of the screen. Here's the cool part. The first 500,000 people to connect their wallet and switch to Binance will receive around 20,000 dog tokens. So, let's make sure you don't miss out. Click on Binance to select it. The process will be similar on other platforms. Now click on Send here, at the bottom of the screen. You'll be asked if you have a Binance account. If you already have a Binance account, click on Yes, I have it. If you don't have an account, click on No, let's create it. Ensure your Binance account is verified. If it's not verified, don't try to use it. Get it verified first. Now what you need here is your dog wallet address on Binance, and you'll also need your MEMO, specifically for Binance. Let me show you how to get that done. Alright, let's move straight to Binance app. Once you're in, this is what the interface is going to appear like this. On your Binance app, click on Wallet tab in the bottom right corner. Afterwards, go ahead and click on Deposit. In the search bar, type in dogs and search for it. You'll see it appear right here. Select it. It will ask you to choose the network. We need to select the correct network. Among the given options, select Toncoin. Here you'll see QR code and your dog's deposit address. Go ahead and copy the deposit address provided. By clicking on the copy icon right here, then go back to your dogs in Telegram. Paste the copied address into the dog's deposit address field. Here, for the MEMO, go back to Binance. Here you'll see Dogs MEMO. Just copy the Dogs MEMO information. By clicking on the copy icon right here, then go back to your dogs in Telegram. Paste this Dogs MEMO into the memo field. Review the details carefully, then tap Send in the bottom of the screen. That's it! Your wallet will now be connected to Binance, and you're all set to receive your dog tokens. So that's how you change your wallet to Binance and claim your 20,000 dog tokens. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.